past choreography from?
From the solo project that we did.
Okay, solo project. Okay. Was it the machine one? The machine project?
It was the one where we did like, I think it was like 5 or 6 unique counts and we taught it to the class.
Oh, okay, the demo. Was it the demo
yeah.
one? And what demo move were you showing at that time?
Square slide.
Square slide. Okay. And what's your signature move?
I called it the list because I'm getting low and then the
Okay.
S stands for shaking it and then the P stands for placement. So LSP.
All right, all right. Okay, you're going to have to write this stuff down. So you said the list,
Yeah.
L-I-S-P,
Or, well, it's pronounced like list, but I just put LSP.
L-S-P, O-S-P. I like that. So L is for what?
For getting low.
Getting low, like it,
The S is for shaking it.
shaking it,
And then the P is for placement.
placement. All right, that's awesome.
I like that name.
I like it. I like it. What about a new street dance move that you learned?
Princeton.
Okay, the Princeton. Where'd you learn that from?
On YouTube.
Okay. And what does it entail? Placement, footwork, stall?
Sorry.
That's the prep.
My mom called it something else.
Okay. Okay. All right. Ready? Okie doke.